It's 9 p.m. and you're about to finish work when a message suddenly appears. Can you prepare a competitor research deck for tomorrow morning? I need pricing, feature, positioning, recommendation, and everything. No, normally there's a nightmare. You start opening dozens of tabs, comparing websites, collecting all screenshots, building slides, and before you know it, half night is gone. But if an AI could handle most of that process for you. Today, I'm testing Skywork 3.0, an AI workspace that can do much more than answer questions. It can research competitors, careers reports, build presentation decks, generate website content, and organize everything inside one workflow. And here's my challenge. I'm going to give you the Skywork a real business brave. I want a completive research pad for a Notion, including ClickUp, Asana, Monday.com, and Airtable. And then I want a comparison table, staging inside a presentation deck, and even landing page ideas. And let's see. So first of all, guys, here you can check it out. Skywork, complete, everything's here in front of you. So let me show you how these things work. First of all, I'm going to select the document section, and now I'm going to enter my brief. I have entered my brief, and what you need to do, you need to click on the generate option. And now our result will be in front of you. And look at that. And here's the Notion Company Research Pack is also available. Everything is done. And in just few seconds, and look, here is everything so much cool over there, and you can also check it out in option. Competitor recent packs also available there, and they are also giving each and everything completely insane, guys. You can also do the same, so you can also find it out. Now, let's go ahead towards second thing. And guys, now how you can enter in these slides. And I have given my everything prompts also in front of you. Now let's take it out. This thing into the slides, and let me show you the more results. And guys, look at that. How cool is this, guys? Now our slides are ready and you can check it, or everything is in front of you. You can also use them, and looking so much crazy job there. So guys, Skywork is doing so much crazy job. You can also watch in just a few seconds. You can literally try anything. And this platform's going to change your idea about AI. So let's dive into the next step. And guys, now I'm going to the website section, and I had given the details here. Now let's see what Skywork generated. And guys, look at that. Our website is ready over there. You can check it out. Here is it. You can also literally publish your own website is also here in front of you. And look at this. How cool is that, guys? The Skywork is doing so much crazy job over there. So guys, this is literally insane. And here you can check it out. It's our website. Everything is done according properly that just I want it. And looking, this is so much crazy job over there. So guys, you need to try Skywork AI. Links are in the description. Don't forget to check them out. And this thing is going so much crazy job over there. And here you can also set a schedule task over there. Like here's our website. You can also publish your own website over there. You can also add your own URL and everything. This is just, guys, it will take only for 5 to 10 minutes, and you can make literally everything on this website. So after giving Skywork just one business brief, I ended up with a complete computer research documented comparison table, strategic positioning inside, and a presentation deck, and even landing page headlines. What impressed me the most wasn't it replaced human work completely. It didn't, but it handled the first draft of everything, which is usually one of the most time-consuming part of the process. Of course, I would still verify important information like pricing and a few errors before using the final output compared to the starting from a blank page. This is a huge time saver. If you'd like to try Skywork for yourself, check out the link in the description and use the exclusive discount code to get started, and let me know in the comment what would you use Skywork for first: competitive research, product launches, marketing campaigns, or something completely different. Thanks for watching video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Please keep safe and